Today is the day for our department to have dinner. That place is about 15 kilometers away from my apartment. Then the bus and subway will take nearly 2 hours, so I'm gonna ride for cycling. I guess 40 or 50 minutes should be enough because it is a road bike. I put on the lock shoes first, then take my usual shoes, put them in the backpack, and change them when I get there. It is convenient and quick. Let's go! I estimate that after riding about 36 kilometers in one day, the average speed should also be 30, because Junchang Road and the road to Xianling are very straight, and because I wear lock shoes, I can ride faster. Oh. 15.8 kilometers, 43 minutes, 58 seconds. It is the first time to participate in this kind of reunion event. There is a self-service barbecue, off-road motorcycles, and real CS. There is major karaoke, and you can also choose to take a nap on the swing. It can be said to be a happy day. After we left this gathering place, we went to have a dinner together, except that there is no team building fund and all expenses are AA. Today can be said to be a very happy day.